Ndugamano ya kiwonjoria gatagati ga kambuni igiri cia wendia wa njohi bururi-ini East African Breweries na Keroche riu igutuithanio ni Igoti nene guku Nairobi kurumirira cira uria wandikithitio ni kambuni ya Keroche igithingatithia kambuni ya East African Breweries na kugeria kuhama nja wa biashara ya njohi cia cuba. Kuringana na kambuni ya Keroche kuhitukira wakiri wao Irungu Kang'ata, kambuni ya East African Breweries ikoretwo ikiengania cuba ciao cia njohi na guthii guciikira ruri rwao, undu uria maugite ni mugaro na watho. Guku kambuni ya EABL kuhitukira wakiri wao Kamau Karuri ni mateanirie mateta maya ma Keroche makiuria igoti riteanirie cira uyu na muthingi wa gukorwo ritire na hinya wa kuthikiriria.
These are two bottles.
I can see that.
One does not have the initials. It doesn't have the initials.
Okay.
One does have. This one does.
Where are the initials?
Exactly, you cannot even notice. And that's one of our arguments.
Even
if they put the initials...
But you are supposed to show me.
It is here. Here. EABL. It's
okay.
Here. You get the point?
Yes.
So our argument is they are taking this beer, which every other manufacturer...
The one that is available in the market.
Yes, this one.
And that can be used by anyone.
Yes, that's our argument.
And
they now go putting these. You get the point? They put these and they say now those are our things.
Keroche cira-ini uyu ningi ni thingatitie kambuni ya East African Breweries na gukorwo ikiagagia aruti wa wira muno makiria endia a njohi ciao kundu gutiganite, undu uria morite igoti riingirire.
And as a result, police cannot even know, so they are coming, harassing everyone, mopping up.
Gukiri uguo, igoti kuhitukira mucirithania Grace Nzioka niriathite kambuni ici cieri kurugamia matangatho mothe ma njohi iria ikuruhanitio cira-ini uyu nyumba-ini ciothe cia mohoro nginyagia riria cira uyu ugatuithanio tariki 24 mweri uyu turi.
We'll be delivering a ruling on the preliminary objection that has been raised by the first and the second respondent on 24th of January 2020.
Maya mokite thiku imwe tu thutha wa gikundi kimwe gia kuhurana na ihoto cia muingi kwandikira ruhonge rwa kuramata ung'ethaniri wa kiwonjoria guku bururi-ini niruo Competition Authority of Kenya makienda ruingirire ndugamano ino na gutigirira kihoto ni giakinyanirio.
Ciiko ta icio ri ni cirathukia biashara uria yagire kurutwo tondu cuva ĩyo yathondekirwo ni mundu wathondekire cuva ĩyo mbere ya nginya East African Breweries kwanjio.
Gikundi giki ningi ni gikuruhanitie na kambuni ya East African Breweries na igeria ria kugeria kuhotomia kambuni cia njohi guku bururi-ini, undu uria ni ugwati munene kuri makiri maruti a wira a kambuni ici. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.